So today we're going to talk about
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
And we're back. 6 shooters are on sale right now, which are clutch adjusters, replace the wing nuts. $24.95, include shipping to the lower 48 states. We also have powder coated for an upcharge. We have stainless steel for an upcharge. Let's show you. So 6-shooter is a clutch adjustment nut that replaces the wing nut. Comes with instructions. Comes in this fine skin packed Airkewld packaging. And it actually has the little football shaped to kind of fit into the lever. Description and link down below. All right, guys, let's.
I'm a conqueror of love. I'm a goddess from above. I'm a warrior, a warrior. I'm a soldier of the light. I'm the stars up in the sky. I'm a fighter, a survivor. This is my queendom, my queendom, my queendom. I'm a goddess. I'm flawless. I'm burning brighter than the sun. I'm a goddess. I'm flawless. I'm beautiful, powerful, and strong. I'm a goddess. I'm a goddess.
Alright guys, we got the solid front nose cone mount on. We got the rear. We're gonna use some stainless fastener, just kind of mock it up, and we're gonna install it with the stainless trans bolts from us, and we're gonna get this tranny mocked up. Now we're gonna time lapse.
Queendom. I'm a goddess. I'm flawless. I'm burning brighter than the sun. I'm a goddess. I'm flawless. I'm beautiful, powerful, and strong. I'm a goddess. I'm a goddess. I'm Aphrodite. I'm Venus. Cleopatra. I'm a goddess. I'm Aphrodite. I'm Venus. Cleopatra. I'm a goddess. I'm a goddess.
All right, here we are. We're gonna do some assembly on the lower control arms for the air ride kit on our chassis, and we're gonna have one of the pros, John, put this together for you, and we're gonna do it in a time lapse for you to enjoy. It's also written on step 14 of the install instructions how to do this. Obviously, as we get this done, we'll update the instructions, and you should get your kit with prepackaged lefts and rights. And here we go.
Too broke, too busy, don't smoke, but I'm privy to the haze. I've got visions in my head. People tell me that I'm crazy. I tell them that's exactly it. I've got reasons for my absence. People tell me that I'll burn out. I tell them I'm not like the rest. But if I'm really being honest, and you ask me how I'm doing, I probably have to tell you that. Tell you that, tell you. I'm too broke, too busy, don't smoke, but I'm privy to the haze I've been growing.
All right, John did a great job here. I'm gonna kind of go over the basics of this. So we have these little dashes, right? And those are the right hand sides. The other side does not have them, so that is a good identifying mark. As you see, there's a left and a right, or a left and a right, depending on how you're viewing this. And you see that the bolts are going either out or in accordingly. So the nuts are all the way back to the heim joints, and that shrinks the arm left to right as much as possible. And now to center the bag mount and the bag bracket, we can open this up and it lengthens it. This bracket can be slotted left to right to get this hole to line up with the center of the bag better. We give the depth here can raise or lower depending on if we need the bag to not be crooked. So it's fully adjustable. So now we're gonna get it ready to be installed on the car.
I'm too broke to visit or smoke, but